Things that are sweet. There are so many things that are sweet. Of course, sugar is sweet. Sweet potatoes are sweet. Ice cream is sweet and refreshing. Molasses is very sweet. Sweet peas are sweet and tasty too. Lollipops and suckers are sweet. Sweets, candy, are sweet. Candy floss is sweet. Soda is sweet. Chocolate is quite sweet. Fudge is sickly sweet. You can have a sweet tooth. Glazed donuts are sweet. Some people are sweet and kind. Situations can be sweet. Birthday cakes, most cakes are sweet. Cupcakes are small and sweet. Jam is usually sweet. Breakfast cereal is usually sweet. Sundaes are sweet. Artificial sweeteners make drinks sweet. Sweet and sour dishes are delicious. What other things in this world are sweet?